Alright, today we're going to be talking about ledger lines on the treble clef. In case you've not seen the other videos I made on how to read music on the treble clef, check that in the description because this is going to be a continuation of those videos. So, ledger lines are short lines that are used to extend the stave upwards or downwards. So it can either be on top or it can be underneath. So if you remember when we were looking at reading music on the treble staff, so if we have the treble clef here, you know we have E and we have F, we have G here, we have A, B, C, D, E, F. So take note that when we were giving names to the lines and spaces, we had to follow this sequence. By following from the line, we move to the space, to the line, space, line, space, line, space. So that's the same way you need to move. Let's say we find a note here and we're trying to locate what note that really is. So all we simply need to do is take note. Ledger lines extend the stave upwards or downwards. So it simply means the sequence is the same. The alphabet is still the same. So if we have F here, so you ask yourself what's the next alphabet after F. So take note, we're only using A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So once we get to G, we come back to A, all right? So after F, the next should be G. So G should be in the space. So take note because we're coming from a line. So after G, what do we have? The next is A. So this small line here will be A, all right? And so we have, after A, we have B. So here will be B. So after the space, we have here will be C, because after B, we have C. So after C, we have D. So this space will be D, all right? And this line will be E, exactly. So it's that simple, right? I also have a trick that you can use to locate ledger lines or read ledger lines faster. So if you want to see that on the next video, type that in the comments, all right? If you want to see more videos like this and learn more, make sure you click on the like button, click on the subscribe button for more, and also make sure you turn on the notification bell icon and choose all right? And make sure you share this video. You have anything you probably want to learn or you don't understand in this video, type that in the comments, or videos that you'd like to see, type that in the comment. That way, that makes me realize that you want to see more videos like this, and I'll be able to create more free videos like this. So if you want to have a one-on-one class with me, check in the description to get my contact details on how you can contact me and start up. All right, thank you so much, and I will see you again. Bye for now.